In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix X or Twitter extremely slow or lagging after update. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, close the app completely and reopen it. On most devices, apps can glitch after updates and a simple restart helps reset performance. Next up, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app X. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, you will need to disable background app activity. For that, close this, launch settings. Now head over to the option general, click on background app refresh. From here you can disable this. This can help the app run much smoother, especially on older devices. Finally, if nothing works, try using X to a browser like Chrome or Safari. If the version runs smoothly, then the issue is likely with the app itself. Reinstalling usually solves it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.